So we will go over in discussion week 5, IR, and this is compound D, okay? Based on what we have, this really broad peak is OH. Are we good? Okay. This sharp-ish peak is CH, right? It's actually the vibrating. Oh, do we have a paper tissue or something? Do we? Yeah, let me see. Okay, may I get a paper tissue? Yeah, I think there is. Oh,
Mine is about the lectures. It's our Student Disability Center. Can you approve for my appointment?
yeah. I don't get a chance to, but I will, okay? I will.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just really different request because I have an issue with everything.
Oh, okay, yes, I will. Let me get this down and I will approve, okay. You want today or you want a different day? You want, no worry. Okay, good. Okay, it's vibrating of this CH bond, okay? Are we good?
Why is this triple bond? I thought it may be like double because it's not so far away from 3 something.
Okay, if you have, okay, that, first you do know this is sp hydrogen. Sp is triple bond, right? That's what we went over last time on this board. Exactly, sp is triple bond. sp2 is double bond. Okay, 2, if it's sp2, it will be a little bit like here. And it won't be that sharp and deep. If it's sp3, it will be even like a sp3, sp2. And in this compound, actually all of the sp2 and sp3 is missing. This is what I would write. No sp3. Yes?
If I'm not wrong, the answer key said that it was sp3 hydrogen though. Or maybe I missed it. I don't know.
Oh, okay. I actually write the things wrong. Okay, I write the things wrong. Okay, this is, I misunderstood this part. Okay, I actually is not doing compound D. If I overly write 3000 here, okay, this is how you differentiate. If it's like after 3000, I think the one that I'm writing is wrong. If it's after 3000 and it's sharp and deep, that's SP, okay. Which is not the one that I was working on. So the one that I was working on, so okay, if we want to do it back to your compound D, okay, I think it's 3000 is more or less like here, okay. Then it's SP3, okay. Are we good? Okay. When I copy the question, I just overly copy them. If your 3000 is here, then that's SP.
Yeah.
Are we good?
So it depends on like how close it is to 3000.
Yeah. If it's triple bond, it will be very like a depend on where it's. It will be more in this part. Yeah.
Where would the sp2 be?
Like somewhere around 3000, which you cannot tell. It's just like a if it's really sharp, it's triple bond. It's a little bit intense, but not as like it's just an sp2. IR is really just when you see the real spectrum, everything is just like all over the place. You cannot, like this is already a perfect scenario that you can see because we only meant you to know, okay? Are we good? In reality, it's not going to be like that. All right, this one is triple bond no matter what. Are we good?
Yes.
Okay, here is CO and CC.
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yes.
I know there are fingerprints, other peaks. If I know in the answer key it writes like a CO or something, you don't expect to identify this one yourself. But if you see, okay, if you do see a really sharp peak, like if it's written like this Gaussian menu, which all the peaks we basically write there just to let you know there is a peak. It's in reality, it's really hard to see if it's a peak or it's a noise because fingerprints will be just something like this. How do I know that's a peak or not? Okay, it's just like a just this doesn't work. Okay, if you're curious, okay, so there's you search SDBS, you search this one. Google SDBS, you will be able to see all the compounds with the real IR spectrum, to see what's a real IR spectrum look like. What we're doing here is when we write this, we very kind of like meant to tell you there is a triple bond, there is a double bond. Okay, are we good?
Yes.
Are we good? Okay.
On the exam, are we gonna have something similar to a quiz, discussion quiz, or something like given the graph and then we have to find
It could be either, but I think that's the same thing, right? Your quiz was being given, I think fairly with this, is we want you to know, do you roughly know what we're doing? Okay, are we good?